Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning about how to integrate a new payment gateway in PHP Travels. So right now we have some payment gateways. For example, I'm going to the settings and from settings, payment gateways. So these are the payment gateways available by default. We need to add a new payment gateway. So first we have to go to the database, and from payment gateways we need to insert status. We can leave it blank right now. In name we just need to add the name Paystack. For example, this is the payment gateway I'm going to add to this. So okay, and now sometimes this is going to show this error. Just ignore it. Actually it's warning, not the error. So the Paystack has been added, and now we need to add the payment, like the credentials and all the stuff. But before that, let's just type 1 in the status, and everything else keep it same. Type it be credit card, and module keep it blank. Default keep it an active 1. Yes. Order we can make it like 8, and currency USD, or we can do everything from here. Let's now refresh this page. So now we can see the Paystack is available over here. Okay, and it's enabled. Just click on actions, and after that we have to rename the parameter of the payment gateway, because every payment gateway has different parameter names. By default in database we have C1, C2, C3. This is the standard of database, but on the user, like the admin side, we have to change this to meet the API parameter name. For example, if we edit Stripe, so you can see it has a publishable key, secret key, and this is C1, C2, C3, C4. Same goes for PayPal and other payment gateways. For example, if I edit PayPal, you can see it has a different dynamic name for all the parameters. So same we have to do with the Paystack, because in the Paystack we have a live secret key, and this is the live public key and live callback as well. So we just need to I think we just need to add the live secret key, and we have to add the API address where we are accessing this IP of our local system. So right now what we have to do, we need to open the, before everything we have to open the file in the admin. We have to go to the settings, from settings, gateway manage. Here we need to create a new array which makes parameters. For example, on the Flutter Wave under the credit card, because most of the credit card payments are done for the Paystack payment gateway. So let's just copy this array of Paystack. Let's add comma and push it back, and then from this, now we add the name like Paystack, and the C1 is live secret key. Required true, and we need to add, for example, not the full one, just to make sure the placeholder how it looks. And we don't need to add, I think, live public key, live secret key, and live public key, and the C2 will be live public key, and we need to copy this, just few of it, so user can get the idea. And we need to delete this, the third one, because we don't have that, we don't need that. Now we come back to the admin panel and refresh. So you can see now it has a live secret key and live public key. We need to copy both, and you can do the same for any payment gateway. So we have saved the live secret key, live public key. Currency we need to set USD by default. Nothing else we need to do right now. Keep it in development and just save the configuration. It has been saved. Let's check in the database. Refresh. So you can see C1, C2 has been saved. Now we need to start the development to make sure everything is work fine. So we need to close this. I have some payment gateways already in our system, and because I'm using a vibe coding and the views file, we have these payment gateways, and we need to add this some of the files. You can see I have already added these files into the VS Code in my Copilot, so I can train him. So I have created a new file called Paystack, which is blank. I have given him Stripe, PayPal, or other files. So, and I asked him to first learn from these files and then create me the similar source code. So let's first tell the AI, learn from all these payment gateways and build our Paystack payment gateway code. So now what AI does is it's going to test the entire source code of the platform from all the other payment gateways, and then it's going to. So now we have a complete payment gateway code has been done. As you can see, there is a condition. It's post only if payload has the payment data. And then there is some other logics. You can build your own logics, and also you can study how this Paystack code has been done. You can train your AI based on this, and then you can proceed for the further payment gateway integration. So now once this done, now let's test for the final time. I hope everything is done now. Let's select hotel, city, a country for the hotel, the nationality, and then select a room, booking, select payment gateway Paystack, proceed to invoice. This is the invoice, and now let's proceed to the payment. Let's select direct the success page instead adding the card details. And now let's see, yes, it has been correct. The payment is done successfully, and the payment status is paid now. And let's go to the transactions. The main thing is transaction. Every transaction should be captured. So the transaction is done. Yes, we can see this is the invoice ID and the transaction is done. So now the entire payment for done and payment gateway has been integrated successfully.